Welcome back to Peek Before You Sleep, and this time we are staying at the Madrid EDITION, a luxury hotel in the centre of the city. We decided to stay in a superior king room with balcony. Let's jump in and take a look. So we'll start with the bedroom. It was a really nice space. The headboard and the lighting just made it feel really cosy and felt like a really luxurious space to be in. It actually felt nicer in person than some of the photos would feel when you're looking online. You've got a really large bed, and then the bedside tables are these shelves with the charging sockets hidden on the side, which I will be honest, I first missed. The view out of the window, we did pay to upgrade to have this balcony, so it was nice to have a coffee there in the morning, though the view itself isn't spectacular. You've got buildings on the other side and a little bit of greenery along in front of you, so not unpleasant, and considering you're in the middle of the city, it was no bad thing, and definitely having that outside space was a really nice touch. Onto the storage, and everything felt really slick and stylish in this room, as you would probably expect. Next to the bed, you've got a 3-door wardrobe with your robes and slippers included inside. There is a steamer if you need to freshen up any of your clothes, and plenty of hangers. A couple of drawers that you can tuck stuff away in, and a full-length mirror just on the left-hand side there in shot now. As you come around the corner, you have the minibar, which has your tea and coffee station, as well as some products that you can buy, as well as underneath some extra drawers, and the bottom of those drawers is where you will find your safe, which was a really standard size, so perfect for a couple of nights away. Over in the bathroom, and this is probably where the room feels most special, you've got an area in the middle with that mirror, a wave as always from me, just the one sink, which is probably my only slight negative on the room, but then to your left a really big shower cubicle with overhead rainfall shower, as well as another on the side. The bath products are great. They are Le Labo, made specifically for the EDITION hotels, so they were really nice products. You've got body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and then hand lotion and soap at the sink. So I would say you really don't need to feel like you need to pack anything additional unless you've got really specific products that suit your skin or your hair. Underneath, you've got everything else that you would need, so your hairdryer, which does have a funnel, and additional amenities in a box underneath. So that was Peek Before You Sleep. Thank you for watching, and I really hope this video has been helpful when you're researching where to stay on your holiday, and if so, please like and subscribe for more hotel room tours.